Hi everyone, look at this. I want to share my new sink to you. Listen, super quiet and the water didn't splash out. When I put my hand here, no water touches it. Then check out the cool X-Grooves design. Faster draining for putting water. We even wiped the drain area with a paper towel. Look, it's completely dry. That's because the sink has a PVD Nano technology. It's food grade, totally safe, super durable, and easy to clean. Oil didn't stick at all. Before this, I had a straight colors sink, but honestly, those are a pain to clean. Lots of dead colors, and over time, bacteria and rust build up. But with these rounded colors, it's so much easier. A quick wipe and it's perfectly clean. And hey, the sink Look, the sink also has a workstation for accessories that actually make my countertop look bigger, and I can even put a few plants to make my kitchen look nicer. Now, when you touch the back of the sink, you can feel it's very dry. But you know, normally hot water creates condensation underneath. If you don't wipe it, mold grows and the cabinet gets damp and damaged. But this sink has an anti-condensation coating, so the whole cabinet stays dry. No mold, no worries.